Welcome back to class. In this video, you will learn how to reserve a business name on CAC. So let's head over to the website pre.cac.gov.ng. Already you have created an account with CAC, be it an accredited account or a public profile. So let's quickly log in to the website and wait for it to load. So you can input your username or whatsoever you use to register it with, either your email, your phone number. So this is our username that we have used to create an account with CAC. Make sure you click the captcha button so you can be verified that you are not a robot. Now let's fill in our password. At this place I will be hiding my password so that no one will see it. Okay, so let me fill in the password. At this point, remember we want to reserve a business name, so let me fill in the password and we'll continue with the video right away. So once we are done, we click on login and click on new name reservation. Please, new name reservation, not new company reservation. So let's click on it. We want to quickly register a business name, and you can see the dashboard right here. We have the first stage, which is the name and types. The other is the objective. The third is the preview, and the fourth is the payment. So let's click the classification business name, and it's also a sole proprietor. Yes, it's a one-man business. So we click the proposed name. You have the grace to fill in two proposed name, so you have to fill one. If not, you will not be able to click the continue button. So input the name you want to reserve. Make sure you do a name search. Please don't just hop into reservation without doing a name search. Then you can go to the next stage. Remember I said we have 4 stages in this one. We have to go for the objective. Why do we want it? New incorporation or registration. Then the nature of business, let's put it as other service activities. Yes, there are many nature of business category here, but you don't want to go into much details because the business still wants to do some other things. So let's just put it as other service activities. Yeah, fine. Then specific nature of business, let's put as other personal service activities, and click on save and continue. So this is the preview stage. Then number 4 is the payment stage. You'll be redirected. Please copy out your RR number. In case the payment didn't go through, you can just go back to Remita portal and verify with your RRR because you were debited. So look at it. The description is reservation of name and it's 500 naira. Please note you will not be allowed to make modification after payment. So make sure everything you typed in number 1 was correct. Then pay via Remita. You need to connect to the payment gateway. Wait while it loads up. It's normal for it to take time. Sometimes Remita portal misbehaves, but make sure you copy out your RRR number, Remita reference number. So in total you'll be paying around 661 naira and 25 kobo. So that's just chicken change for most of us, I know, but that chicken change don't allow CAC to swallow your money. I know what I'm saying. Make sure you copy out your RR number. So select the payment option. We have various options here. You choose the one that is best for you. I prefer bank transfer because it's faster, and my card is having issue at the moment. So let's just click on bank transfer, and you note that this account expires in 29 minutes. So let's be fast, and once you are done, click on I've sent the money. The bank name is Fidelity. Let's make the transfer immediately, and once I'm done, I'll click on I have sent the money. Please do the needful. Don't pay the money and leave it like that. It might go automatically or it might not go. So I'm done with the transfer now. Let me click on I've sent the money, and I'll wait for the payment gateway to verify my payment. It will take a while for it to verify. Let's be patient. So you see that this is a live practical section. I'm not editing or anything. So verify, it has been verified. So automatically it will take me back to the dashboard, and you will see payment successful. You can see it from the screen and it has been submitted. Automatically this name, it will move from not submitted to submit a pending reservation. So you can see now the name has been submitted and it's now pending. It's showing created on August 20th and submitted on August 20th. Now when I come back to check, I can see that the name has been reserved or queried, but let's hope for the best. Name has been reserved. Thank you for watching. Let's go to the next video.